Hello crafty friends, it's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you quickly how I created the first card using my October 2019 paper pumpkin kit. I hope you'll stick around, see how I made it, and find out what you can expect later this weekend. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If this is your first time to my channel, I hope by the end of the video that you'll be inspired to click on that subscribe button below. As always, if you're a regular viewer and subscriber, thank you so much for stopping back by. As I mentioned in the intro, in today's video, I'm going to show you very quickly how I put together the first card using the new paper pumpkin kit. This is the October 2019 kit, and it is called Winter Woods. And this kit allows you to make 10 full-size Christmas or winter-themed cards. Once I get started with the process, I am just going to pretty much speed through it. If you want detailed instructions and a slower look at how to put the card together, I know that there are already a few videos out on YouTube that you could check out. But I wanted you to see how I made the first one, and then later this weekend, maybe even into next week, I'm going to come back with alternatives or alternates using this kit. I think the pieces that you get with this kit, as well as the leftovers or the scraps, are going to make some super cute alternative cards and projects. So again, I hope that if you're not subscribed already, you'll go ahead and click on that button. Are you ready to see how the card was made? I hope you liked getting a quick peek at how I created this first card. If you did enjoy this video, as always, I appreciate a thumbs up. And until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope that you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above, and if you're interested in any of the products or tools that I use in the video, I do have some links in the description box.